The high heart of Bayburt. Elif stepped off the bus, taking a deep breath of the crisp, cool air. Her cousin Sam was waiting. "Welcome to Bayburt," he grinned. "It's high up here, surrounded by mountains and wide plains. Ready for adventure?" Their first stop was the city's greatest landmark, Bayburt Castle. It stood guard over the city for centuries, Sam explained. It's one of the largest fortresses in the whole region. Imagine the stories these old stones could tell. It has protected the city from invaders across many different eras. Elif loved climbing. They scaled the high walls, and from the top, she could see the entire valley carved by the famous Koru River. Bayburt might be one of Turkey's smallest provinces by population, Sam said, but its history is huge. You can see it all from here. The Koru River is famous for its rushing waters. "We have to try rafting," Sam insisted. "It's one of the most exciting things you can do here." The water comes down from the high mountains. The river sped past rocky banks, churning white and fast. Once they dried off, they headed to the deep past, the Aydıntepe underground city. It felt mysterious and cool beneath the earth. "People carved these rooms right into the bedrock thousands of years ago," whispered Elif. "It's like a secret maze." Sam led her back up to daylight and a quiet park dedicated to a legendary storyteller. "This is Dede Korkut Park," he said. Dede Korkut is an epic hero and philosopher, a very important part of our Oghuz Turkish culture here in eastern Anatolia. His stories are passed down through generations. Next, they visited a place where the old met the new, the Bakshi Museum. It sits outside the city, blending traditional local crafts like weaving with modern art installations. It shows how Bayburt honors its past while looking forward, Elif realized, mesmerized by a colorful sculpture. Sam pointed towards the highest peaks. "Those are the Kop Mountains. They help define our landscape." Bayburt has a beautiful climate that creates these incredible grassy high plateaus called yayla, perfect for grazing in the summer. After so much exploration, they were hungry. Sam introduced her to Bayburt tatlisi. It's a special local dessert made with thin dough, walnuts, and syrup. Sweet energy for our journey. It's the best way to end a busy day. As the sun set, painting the mountains gold, Elif felt full of knowledge and adventure. From the ancient castles and underground cities to the rushing Koru and the peaceful plateaus, Bayburt was a small province with the biggest heart and the coolest stories.